Welcome back to Seagull's Mazda 323 for another episode, installment update, whatever the heck you want to call this. But basically, today I'm just going over refurbishment of original suspension, front and rear. The original springs and struts need to have bump stop kit replacements. So I'm going to walk through that now. And the reason why I am doing it, because I'm not one of those guys who creates a two-part special about why my poor car couldn't pass a warrant of fitness or a roadworthy test or a pit test, whatever you want to call it. I'm not a sook, and I won't waste the internet with that sort of shit. Put in a middle seatbelt, wiper blades, and chuck in some brand new drive lights. T10 wedge globes. I got asked that question the other day. I thought it was a bit odd, but then I thought about it.
And I'm like, I am pretty odd.
I'll do it. Now, here are the tools you're going to need to complete this task. You'll need some spring tensioners. I'm using a 17mm as well, just to get that top nut off, and an impact drill. I've got the old socket set spare as well, just in case, but there are some other parts that I've got to do later on. Oh, and also forgot to mention, I've got to chuck in this gear shifter because it's got the pattern on top. Whereas the one I have in there at the moment doesn't. Anyway, these little weird things that will fail you on a roadworthy. Just get them done. Don't bloody complain. Alright, so here's one I've already done. This is the kit you'll need to use. It's the same for the front and the back, the KYB Sierra Bravo 5190. And as you can see, the reason why I'm doing them. They're shagged, munted, stuffed. They need to come out. They need to be swapped. Now the struts and the springs are still fine. It's just the bump stop kits need replacing. A bit of a dress up and a bit of a wash and bang them in. Well, there you have it. All four suspension done. Refurbed, ready to go back into the car as part of the warrant of fitness test or roadworthy test. And that's just part of owning an old car. So it's probably best to get familiar with working on them to save yourself a heap of money instead of moaning about it.